Hello everybody, today we're going to unbox Western Digital easystore 20 terabytes. Comes with 2 years warranty. Comes with 2 seals over here. And here we have like serial and EPC. This one is to connect to computer and this one is to power it. This is kind of new look. It looks different from all the ones I've seen. Those like 8, 14 terabyte and 10 and so on. This one feels heavy, I think. Serial number there. So this connect to computer and this to connect to the power. And here we have the instruction, warranty, whatever. And after connecting it, you wait a little bit and then you get the 20 terabyte, which is effective 18.1. And then you can just use it to copy everything you need. See when it's on, we have the light over here. 20 terabyte, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe.